Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing environment and gear. Power the Quest 3 to at least 50% and install the latest updates so the Mr. features function correctly. Once done, enable pass-through and mixed reality under settings experimental. This unlocks camera-based overlays. Make sure your play area is roughly 2 meters by 2 meters, free of reflective surfaces, and evenly lit to help tracking. These steps reduce drift and visual noise, so the system can align virtual objects to real space accurately. Next, you calibrate sensors and start the Mr. experience. Run Guardian to define your boundary and confirm the floor plane so virtual content sits correctly. Then open an Mr.-enabled app and grant camera and microphone permissions. Without these, pass-through and object occlusion won't work. Use hand tracking for natural interaction or controllers for precision, and toggle the pass-through blend to balance virtual opacity versus real-world visibility. These choices affect immersion and latency, so test small adjustments until motion feels stable. Finally, complete the setup by fine-tuning fit and view. Adjust the IPD and strap so visuals are sharp, then recenter your view to lock virtual content in place. If you see drift or occlusion errors, reboot the headset and rerun Guardian and floor calibration. This refreshes tracking models. If problems persist, inspect the room for bright sunlight, mirrors, or dark areas. These interfere with cameras. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily reduce pass-through brightness and retest to isolate lighting-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.